When you set up a new website, two of the most important settings you need to configure is Google Analytics and Google Search Console. In this video, I will show you how to configure Google Search Console for your new website and how to integrate Google Search Console with Google Analytics. Why do we have to do this? One of the most important things you do when you set up a new website is you want to track every activity that happens on your website. If you are investing in your website, you want to know what is bringing in results for you and what is not working for you. For example, this is a new website I recently set up, and here in Google Analytics I can see the users, the sessions, the bounce rate and the session duration. If I move to the bottom a little bit, I will see my traffic channel, and what you are seeing here is where people are seeing my business and where they are coming from. We can see here, we see organic search and direct. If you go to the 30th of this month, you see we have organic search and also direct. Now what I want to do is I want to know which keywords is bringing people to my website and what search engine is driving the most traffic to my website. If I know this, I'll be able to invest my money in the right channel so that I can get the best traffic and make more money on my website. So now I want to go straight to my Google Search Console. Right on the Google Search Console, I want to add a new property to my account. By the way, in your Google Search Console, you can have a single account and have multiple property added to that account. That is what I'm going to do in this particular setting. I will go straight to the top left hand and I will go to the bottom and I will click on add a property. On this dialog box, we have two options in order for me to be able to create Google Search Console property for the new website. Now the most important thing you need to look at here is the requirement for the verification. Here it requires DNS verification, and in the other one you have a multiple option for verification. I will go ahead and use the second one because this will allow me to verify the website very easily without having to go through the DNS approach. So I will paste my website address here. Now after pasting my website address, I will click on continue and I will wait for it to load. Now the Google Search Console property has been created and it is auto verified. And why is it auto verified? Google automatically detects that the account user is also having access to the Google Analytics property, and because of that the verification was completed automatically. And the next thing I will do now is I will go to the property. This is a very new property on Google Search Console and there's no traffic report at this moment. If I move to the bottom, I will see the numbers of pages that is already indexed by Google, and if there's any error I will see it here, but at the moment there's no error and I can see that we have 13 pages already indexed on Google. If you go to the bottom, you will see more information about your website performance on Google in your Google Search Console. So what is next thing I want to do now is I want to link this Google Search Console with my Google Analytics, and I will go straight to my Google Analytics and next to the settings. On the settings page, I will proceed to linking the Google Search Console with the Google Analytics property. So I will move to the bottom under property column and I will look at product linking. So from the product linking, I want to click on all products. After clicking on all products, I can see I can link AdSense, I can link Google Ads, I can link Ad Exchange, BigQuery, Display and Video 360, Campaign Manager, and so on. So I will go straight to the bottom and look at Search Console. This is Google Search Console. So I want to link my Google Search Console for this new website to the Google Analytics property. So I will click on link Search Console and I will say the next thing. So what I want to do here is I want to click on add. After clicking on add, a new tab automatically opens up and I will be able to select the Google Search Console I want to link to this particular Google Analytics. I have multiple Google Search Console accounts. So what I will do is I will switch to the account I want to link from. So here I've switched to the account and I will allow that page to load, and there I will select the particular property I want to link to Google Analytics. So I click on this and I saved it. So after clicking on save, you see a new notification comes up. You are about to save a new association. Any existing Search Console association for this web property will be removed. That is okay. I will click on OK and it redirects back to the Search Console dashboard. So I want to go back to my Google Analytics account and see what is happening, if the linking is successful or not. I will go straight and I will click on my settings. On the settings page, I will go to the property panel and I will move to the bottom and click on all products. After clicking on all products, you see Google Search Console has been linked successfully. and it says actively linked and receiving data. From now, I will be able to track my search data from Google and what keyword is bringing the best traffic for me, and I will be able to invest properly on Google in order to get more traffic for my website. I hope this video helps. If you like it, feel free to subscribe to the channel and share with your friends and family. Thanks again for watching the video, and bye for now.